Now if you've got everything done, we're going to come to assemble it. There is a kind of order I found that's easy to put it together. If what you do is get your power switch in there, slide it in place. You want to get your board, flip it over. You kind of want to line it up with the two male pins in the battery part, and everything else should line up. Make sure your power switch is in place. Then next you want to do is flip it. Have this. Don't forget to put your little window. Sometimes some of the cases do come with transparent. Most of the time they come with like a solid black grey plastic. I'm not sure what the deal is with that, because they haven't used the actual infrared port on a Game Boy Color. But you want to lay that down and then just kind of sandwich this onto the front together. Make sure it's all kind of fits all round. Make sure obviously you have your screen lens in. Make sure your screen is equally distant like that. Everything else, just have a quick look around. Make sure there's nothing obvious. Luckily with this build there's no wires to get in the way, which is I like. And then just put in your screws, your 4 on the top, 2 on the bottom, put your batteries in, SD card, and away you go. Enjoy.